Today we will be demonstrating how to use the Add Constants tile in Magic ETL and Domo. This video is one of many helpful tutorials in our Magic ETL playlist. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn more about Domo. The Add Constants tile allows you to create a column where every value is the same. The first step to utilizing the Add Constants tile is ensuring that you have an input dataset. Without an input dataset, we will have no data to reference and replace. It is always a best practice to name your data flow. Under the Utility Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen, you will find the Add Constants tile. Drag that tile onto your canvas. Connect your Add Constants tile to your input dataset tile. In today's example, we will be creating a constant column with the integer value of 2024. First, we will name the new column, Constants. Then, we will select integer as the type of data for the new constant column. The value of that constant will be 2024. Now we will want to create an output dataset for this change to reside. Let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have successfully created a new constants column. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.